Have you ever wondered what would happen or become of lives that were incapable of speaking for themselves? We definitely live in a society, but do we not really live for ourselves?
Poverty, underprivileged kids, malnutrition, and child labor. We have heard enough about these things in our daily life if we are in India. But yes, I'm not here to see all of these things because I am here in Bal Sambal, which means Bal aka kids, Sambal aka supports. 50 kilometers far from Jaipur in Sirohi. Yes, here I am in Bal Sambal to find out, actually figure out the happiness of kids. They are not born with that happiness, but yes, they are going to get that in their own way. Let's find out.
Humanity finds a new dimension at the district of Sirohi in Rajasthan. Bal Sambal is a monument of its kind, representing social responsibility, which is physically spread over 54,000 square meters and ethically over infinity. Does the thought of living life as an orphan scare us? What would become of us? Where would we go? But at Bal Sambal, these underprivileged children have nothing to be scared of. Bal Sambal, as Mahatma Gandhi would proudly have said it, is being the change that it wishes to see in the world. Bal Sambal meaning shelter, support and encouragement for children. Bal Sambal is a place where these children not only begin to dream but prepare themselves for a golden future, leaving behind the struggles and problems of the past. Bal Sambal wishes to see the steps of these innocent lives advance into great leaps in terms of mental and physical development with social responsibility, education, art and culture, physical education, but also technology. The aim of this institution is to build a refuge to stumbling tiny feet of those children who have no one to call as their family in this brutal world. Bal Sambal, therefore, is a step to provide its inhabiting children all the facility that a parent would wish for and strive to give their own children. Children that look hungry or orphans that beg for living labor through their innocent life and do seek our emotional attention. But rarely do we come across people who actually do something for them rather than passing by with a sigh. A man of his kind, Sri Mohan Lal Jain created the vision of Bal Sambal, and his own son, Panchsheel Jain, is transforming this vision into reality. One such inspiration has been carved by not only the visionaries but also the creators of Bal Sambal, Sri Mohan Lal Jain. On October 7, 2006, revered saint from Trivedi Dham, Sri Narayan Das Ji Maharaj was joined by Congress member Sachin Pilot to inaugurate the noble fields of Bal Sambal and declaring the vision open to take a concrete form. However, it was only on August 15, 2015, with